Hi, attorney Brenton Begley here with McIntyre Elder Law. I want to talk about certain myths and facts with Medicaid, okay? So one thing that I hear all the time is, can't I just give away a certain amount of money per year and that money just go to my loved ones and it not count against me for Medicaid purposes? And the answer is no. You can't just give away the money. If you could do that, that'd make my job way easier. But you can't. So that is a rule for tax purposes, for gift tax purposes. You can transfer a certain amount of money without having to report that gift. But for Medicaid, they will count any amount of money that you gift within their look-back period, which is 3 years for assisted living and 5 years for skilled nursing care. So be careful when it comes to gifting. Fact about Medicaid is that you can gift to your church or charity, okay, if it's a normal pattern of giving. However, I would still be careful about giving away gifts if you're planning on applying for long-term care in the near future. Another myth about Medicaid is I can't own anything and qualify for Medicaid. The fact of the matter is that if you're trying to get long-term care Medicaid to pay for nursing home care, you can own a lot of assets. Just depends on what the assets are. So you're allowed to own a home and you're allowed to own up to 99% interest in any other piece of real property other than your home. You can have a certain amount of life insurance and you can have other types of assets. It's typically cash assets that you're restricted from having if you're trying to qualify for Medicaid if you are the applicant. Your spouse, on the other hand, can have a significant amount of assets in their name. There are a lot of other myths out there about Medicaid and how that works, okay? How it works to qualify and protect assets. So before you believe those, give us a call, 704-259-7040, and we can answer all of your questions about Medicaid planning for the future or Medicaid crisis planning to obtain benefits for very expensive long-term care right now. Again, if you have questions, call 704-259-7040 or visit our website, mcelderlaw.com.
Please don't wait till it's too late. Call McIntyre Elder